everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. I'm here with Nick Trombetta and Daniel Keane, our cover artist from Artist Session. We're here at It&Ly Hair Fashion at the Philadelphia premiere show, first time. It's great, and you're doing the coolest thing. You've invented something new, and all the colors out there are going to want to know what it is. Tell us all about it.
Well, first of all, it's good to see you, because we worked together about 20-something years ago, and you still look as good as the day you were born.
That's why I love
Watch
Nick.
this. All right, so there's a hybrid technique that we've created here just for It&Ly Hair Fashion. Here I was thinking the overabundance that we have of balayage today, and when we think of balayage, we immediately think of a lot of blonde hair. So I thought to myself, why not make an infusion of two techniques, baby lights and balayage, and I called it BABYLAGE. You guys could find it at hashtag BABYLAGE, B-A-B-Y, Lage, L-A-G-E, all right? It's very simple, watch this. Now I know that a lot of you today are backcombing, you're doing a lot of convex designs, using a lot of product on the hair. This is simple, watch this. You do baby lights, okay? And you hold the bottom out, but it's still in your hand. You don't let it go out. You take your product, whether it be a lightener, whether it be a color, whatever it is that you're going to use, you don't even have to look because I'm holding it so tight. Look at that. And as I pull back, so now you're coloring here, okay? Once you've designed how far back you want to go, you combine the two together. Again, now watch, we have a fine line of color in here. Now you take your brush again, which you want to put a plastic board underneath, or you want to use gloves. Here you do your balayage, and you can fan it to kind of blend in, and you either encapsulate it in foils or in plastic. There's your section. So again, watch. A whole section. You do your technique this way. You hold the bottom out, okay? You color the top area. Then combine the two together. Now you have product on here, okay? Now fan it up, encapsulate it in whatever you like, and you have your BABYLAGE.
I love it. That's so cool. And you could actually change your formulas around.
Maggie, the sky's the limit. So, you know,
great for regrowth.
Obviously, we want you to use our product at It&Ly Hair Fashion. I'm sorry about that, it's my family. But if you're using something else, look, man, we're in the sharing process here. We're so happy to be here, especially thank you, Maggie, for your time and stopping by with us. Very excited.
An inventor of a technique.
Well, yeah, because we talk about it all the time. And many years ago, when I came to you to do an editorial, when I was doing a chiaroscuro, which is light to dark, I kind of hit a wall with it because the audience wasn't ready for it. They weren't ready for it. Now I think they are. So remember, BABYLAGE. You heard it first time here with me,
Nick Trombetta,
and my friend Nick Daniel, and Maggie. Love you guys. See you soon.
Bye.